Before anything else, I would like to mention some disclaimer first. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. There is no guarantee that you will earn any money using the techniques and ideas mentioned in this video. This is not financial advice. Your level of success in attaining the results claimed in this video will require hard work, experience, and knowledge. We have taken reasonable steps to ensure that the information on this video is accurate, but we cannot represent that the websites mentioned in this video are free from errors. You expressly agree not to rely upon any information contained in this video. Earning disclaimer. No earnings projections, promises or representations. Any earnings or income statements, or any earnings or income examples, are only estimates of what we think you could earn. There is no assurance you will do as well as stated in any examples. If you rely upon any figures provided, you must accept the entire risk of not doing as well as the information provided. This applies whether the earnings or income examples are monetary in nature or pertain to advertising credits which may be earned, whether such credits are convertible to cash or not. Based on this image, at Rapid Workers the tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low costs, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly, and most of all, it simply works. As you can see on their services, employers ask people to blog about your product, post reviews to websites and blogs, add you to Facebook, become fan of your group, follow you on Twitter, dig your website and much more. And workers will sign up and browse micro jobs, select jobs you like, finish tasks and submit proof. Earn money and much more. This website called Rapid Workers helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, ranking, better ranking, backlinks and much more. They combine workers and employers to their site to minimize publicity and marketing costs while at the same time providing money to everyday users. Also this way, you are sure that all jobs will be done, and after you will have the ability to review their work. It is important to remember that you should only create and use one account. Using more than one account and accepting the same job more than allowed from the employers will result in account termination. If you would like to know more, you can check out their frequently asked questions page. The payments here are done through PayPal. Let's assume that you are interested to try this, and then you signed up and verified your email. In your dashboard, you can see a lot of different jobs here. But you can't just click on all of this and work on it. It depends on where you are and what your country is. Now let's look at the tasks related to YouTube. You can try to search on it where you can see a job name and enter YouTube, or you can just tap on the latest tab or most paying tab. As you can see here, there are so many tasks that you can work on, with the time ranging from 1 minute up to 3 minutes. The tasks are so easy to do, as easy as watching YouTube videos, hitting the like button and giving some simple comments. But the most important thing is that it is available internationally, so wherever you are now you can do this task and earn money. One of the reason I made this video is that I want to know if some of you actually tried this and get paid. Or how was your experience working on different tasks at Rapid Workers? Was it worth the time working on this type of job? Please let me know by putting it in the comments below. Thank you, and please consider supporting this channel by subscribing.